this is called Học Việt Với AI. So I am going to try to learn Vietnamese using the three main AI tools: ChatGPT, Gemini, and DeepSeek. Yes, so I gave them the same prompt. I wanted it to be easy. I didn't put in a lot of different things, so all I wanted was to see what first lessons they could come up with. So this was what I went with. I want to learn Vietnamese. I will be asking this to ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and Gemini, just so they know, right? Come up with the first lesson so I can compare and see which one teaches me the best. Every day I will upload what the other AI tools said to each other and see how long it takes to learn Viet this way. So then I asked them to start. So yeah, we're going to start with the biggest, of course, ChatGPT, and this is what they said. Vietnamese lesson number 1. So they first introduced the Vietnamese and the basic greetings. So they gave a quick overview of the Vietnamese, which is made up of the alphabet, the tones, and yeah, the pronouns and the politeness. And then they give a whole range of basic greetings. Xin chào for hello, ciao for hi. I think this is tạm biệt. Okay. I can actually copy and see.
Tạm biệt.
Tạm biệt is ban khủy không tối khủy khủy.
Bạn khỏe không?
Bạn khỏe không? Tôi khỏe, cảm ơn, không có gì. Tôi tên là. Bạn tên là gì? This one I need to.
Rất vui được gặp bạn.
Rất vui được gặp bạn. Rất vui được gặp bạn. And then they give a practice exercise. Translate the following to Vietnamese. Xin chào, tôi tên là Anna. Bạn khỏe không? Tôi khỏe, cảm ơn, I think. And so that is, I think, because I know a little bit, like a few words in Vietnamese. So this is, if I am totally new, I think this would be, yeah, let's go to the next one first. And now for DeepSeek. So yeah, you see, it's the same prompt. And then yes, they are a fascinating experiment. And so for DeepSeek, it goes, the first thing they talk about is the tones, because Vietnamese has 6 different tones, which gives rise to the different symbols on the words that change the way it is supposed to be spoken. So yeah, the neutral, the low falling, the sharp rising, the dipping, the broken, the heavy low stop. See, oh, tell me don't memorize. Yeah, good that I don't memorize. And they only give me four essential greetings and words, right? Xin chào, vâng, không, and cảm ơn. Yeah. This is one thing about Viet I learned. The D becomes a Y sound. Yeah. Xin chào, cảm ơn, cảm có gì. Yeah, so it's a lot simpler, I would say. Not as comprehensive as ChatGPT, but yeah, this means good luck. So I need to put it in translate.
Chúc bạn may mắn.
Chúc bạn may mắn. Chúc bạn may mắn. Yeah, that's one of the hard thing about Vietnamese, because if you are learning it from English, what it looks like in English is not what it is in Viet, so we will think this is me, but it's actually mai. So yeah, it is a bit harder compared to like Chinese, because in Chinese, it's totally different, right? Because to people it's just symbols and pictures. Okay, next, Gemini Introduction. Welcome to your first Vietnamese lesson. This lesson will focus on the most crucial and unique aspect of the tones. And so they also start off with the tones, but they give a lot more emphasis to it in Gemini. Yeah. So one say don't bother memorizing it. It will come as you learn more. That's in DeepSeek. In Gemini, is telling you to listen closely and learn through imitation and consistent practice. And then yeah, you can see that I guess because they are all using LLMs, the format is kind of the same. They tell you the basic, and then they go to the essential greetings, right? So xin chào, cảm ơn. Oh, this is even lesser. So Google really is like Gemini really is like Google, right? They give you the top two, and they discard the rest. Yeah, cảm ơn. But yeah, so 5 video greetings of the 6 tones for a single, like ma or ba. So I think looking at these 3, I would say the most I would rank them. DeepSeek is the easy, not the easiest, but wins this round, while ChatGPT is second in terms of it is comprehensive, but in terms of the flow and how easy it is, I think DeepSeek still wins. And then Gemini, I think it's the emphasis on the tone thing just makes me want to just give up on it. So I think that is the difference. And yeah, so DeepSeek, ChatGPT, and Gemini for this very first episode. Thank you for being on this journey with me, and I'll see you in the next one.